There's my dog, Macy. Hey, Macy. She's on the trampoline with Rebecca.
Oh my god.
And the bouncer. She likes to be bounced.
Oh wow, look at all that hair that just came out.
And she's biting her leash.
Can't get away.
Macy, go for a walk? Wanna go for a walk? She loves her walks. I'm just kidding. Just kidding.
She loves her walk.
You're so cute. Look at her hold it. You're getting too close. I need to back it up. Macy, do something else.
Stop being boring.
Oh, that's so cute. Holding your leash. Macy, stop it. Let go of that. Let go. I'm dragging you across. You're biting my toe. Let go. We're playing tug of war. I'm playing tug of war with her. Ow!
Shocking.
She's not vicious, she's not.
She's not mean at all.
Let go. Ow. Gonna break it out.
She looks right into the camera.
What's that dog? You yanked it from the mouse. Macy, let go of it. Just show people how we do it with our fingers. Come on, let go of it. So, Macy. Hey, you.
I was looking at your face during that part. That was funny.
Come here. Where you going?
She said, "Where are you going?"
Oh, the dog is.
It's kind of scary. God. Sounds like a bear.
I have to pick her up. Come here. No.
I just had dog butt. That's nice. That was like the picture was her butt.
Because you moved, you're like, I got dog butt.
She's gonna kill you.
Yeah, you're so weak, Macy. Really?
Oh wow, all the dog hair comes to me. Oh, I just made her fall.
Yep. She wants to be bounced.
Oh yeah, she wants to be bounced.
No! She's like, come on.
She can't go any further.
Macy, I have a close-up on you.
Wow.
It's really blurry. Come here, Macy! Husky! Come here, Macy! Anyway, hi, here's Rebecca. That was really close to your face. Duty.
Come on.
Rebecca.
Don't stop zooming in.
Dude, this is like the best video ever.
Come here.
Stop being a weirdo. Come here.
Stop being boring. Looks like she's thinking about where she wants to pee.
Right there. That's the very spot. She just wants to play. Oh, how cute. With her butt in the air. Macy, come here. Want a treat? Want to go outside? Want to go for a walk? Look at her ears perk up. I'm so sorry. I'm just teasing you. I know what I mean. There she is. Come here, Mace. Fine, I'm coming to you.
I'm coming to you.
Aw. Look at your tail wag. What do you want? Are you playing tug of war? Oh, it's a trampoline.
Jump, Alyssa, jump.
That's right, move it. Stop pantsing around.
Can't go any farther. Won't let me go.
Hey, so you're not gonna pick that up and move.
Jump off.
Wait, did you try that not? Do you hear voices?
Look, I'm getting food.
Do you hear voices? Will you stop moving away from the camera? Are you camera shy? Jump up in the trampoline.
Goes under it.
She likes the shade. Pee under there.
Hey. It's a ball.
Hi. Look at the camera, because I want to see your pretty face. Hey, Macy. Macy, look at me. Look at me. Oh, she sees Sadie. Our neighbor's dog. Let's go see Sadie. Yup. Hi, Sadie. Hi, Sadie. You have the cutest bark ever. Hey, Sadie, come on. Come on. Hey, girl. Sadie. You're such a good girl. You like my hand? You're such a good girl. Yes, you are. Okay. What? Oh, I'm sorry, Macy. I get you. And